This week on DevKit Weekly, we're going to be reviewing and raffling this Aaeon next-TGU8 single board computer. Industry wants AI. Industry also has to deal with harsh environments and limited resources, which keep ruggedness and power efficiency at the top of the design criteria, whether a platform is artificially intelligent or not. At that intersection lies Aaeon's DeNext-TGU8 SBC. Measuring just 86 millimeters by 55 millimeters, the Aaeon DeNext-TGU8 SBC is the industry's smallest form factor board that hosts an Intel Core i series processor. The Tiger Lake UP3 processor's performance pays off in this small package, optimizing the DeNext-TGU8s for tasks like local execution of AI workloads, real-time deterministic decision-making, and other functions required to build out the intelligent industrial edge. Those Tiger Lake platforms on the Aaeon next-TGU8 are quad-core 11th gen Intel Core i3, i5, or i7 processors that clock in as fast as 4.4 gigahertz to deliver pass-mark CPU mark scores as high as 9,980. The efficiency of these processors help the SBC achieve a TDP between 15 watts and 28 watts, with a configurable down TDP as low as 12 watts, which contributes to the board's overall minimal 55 watt to 84 watt power profile. The benefits of that power efficiency continue into deployment, where the Aaeon SBC can operate in 0 to 60 degrees C temperature ranges and up to 90% humidity. Intel's multi-core 11th gen Tiger Lake UP3 processors provide up to 4 cores and 8 threads that can be applied to the execution of AI models at the industrial edge. They also integrate UHD graphics, or Iris-Xe graphics, and 2 VDBox multifunction codec engines that drive as many as 4 4K60 HDR or 2 8K60 SDR display outputs and support 1080p 30 video streaming. The UP3 processors also integrate Deep Learning Boost, an Intel AI acceleration technology that speeds up AI inferencing by capitalizing on Intel's Advanced Vector Extensions 512 and Vector Neural Network instruction sets. It also supports the bfloat16 format to efficiently encode high-intensity, low-precision workloads. And as if that wasn't enough, to empower industrial AI and machine learning designs, the next-TGU8 is compatible with tools like the Intel OpenVINO Toolkit that optimizes neural network algorithms for fast inferencing on CPUs, GPUs, and other Intel processing units. OpenVINO works with models developed in frameworks like TensorFlow 2, Caffe, MXNet, and any other ONNX-compatible environment to streamline the development and deployment of edge AI systems. And if you'd prefer, you can also work with the OpenVINO Toolkit using the Intel Dev Cloud. It even comes with an open model zoo that provides several pre-trained models and demos that can be downloaded from GitHub, including examples of time forecasting and object detection that may be particularly interesting to industrial systems engineers working on AI projects. If you're one of those and you're interested in measuring how an OpenVINO-enabled next-TGU8 fares in your application, check out the benchmarking tool on docs.openvino.ai to see how the board's supported processor SKUs fared against generic workloads, or even learn how to create an OpenVINO benchmark for your own AI application. Despite packing all that performance into such a small form factor, the next-TGU8 makes no sacrifices in terms of I/O. Here, it provides an RJ45 port backed by Intel i219LM and Intel i225LM Ethernet controllers, as well as 2 USB Type-A ports, and of course, an HDMI 1.4b display connector. It's also compatible with FPC expansion cards like this one that comes with the riser kit, and various adapter cards of like these PER series boards, some of which include 8-bit DIOs and USB interfaces. And then there are also M.2 E and B key modules that can be used to add on Wi-Fi connectivity and additional AI acceleration performance, respectively, as needed. So now you know what's needed to increase machine intelligence at the industrial edge. It's called the next-TGU8 SBC from Aaeon. The single board computer is in pre-production now, but if you'd like to purchase your own, you can request a quote for one through the product page on the Aaeon website. Or if you feel like playing games, you can always enter the raffle linked to on the screen and in the description below to win this board here or that one back there, along with some of those expansion cards for absolutely free. And if you are our lucky winner, we'll even ship it to you anywhere in the world. So good luck in this week's raffle. But all you AI developers out there should keep in mind that we have a strict no artificially intelligent raffle winners policy here on DevKit Weekly, so no funny business. Anyway, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, good luck in the raffle, and we'll see you next week on DevKit Weekly.